Welcome to Skandhanshi INTERIUS. Myself Bhubaneshwari. Today I'm going to give a walkthrough of our experience center. I'm going to show you, we have three displays of kitchen here. One is PU finish, one is glossy laminate, and this is an acrylic finish kitchen. Kitchen is art of cooking. Here it is the concept that we have designed is, it is an island kitchen. We have our cooking hob at the center. And the material that we have used, the quartz, this is of an AGL brand. This quartz, it is available in different colors and different textures. If you see this finish, it is of acrylic 2 mm thickness, and the material that we are using is, it is a BWP, that is boiling waterproof, and the handles are here of hedge profile handles. We are also using a pantry unit where the fittings are of again heritage. This is a crockery unit. It is an additional surprise unit for serving as a functional unit to dining area. To start your interior design journey with us, come and visit our Skandhanshi Interiors Experience Center at HSR Layout, Bangalore.